Please, allow me to show you something.
Hello, welcome back to the Trini world. Today we are in the kitchen and we're going to be mixing some drinks with the new watermelon white oak. And who will be with me today? Where's my guest? Carissa! Hello! So y'all should have seen her. I did her big chop. So today we're going to be mixing some drinks with the white oak. We don't know what we're going to be making, so I guess y'all will be making it with us. We bought some mixes from Dailies. We bought strawberry, peach, but the peach is for something else, so we can see if we can work it out. And this lovely young lady here forgot the most important thing of all. The watermelon. The watermelon. So anyway, yeah, so if you're interested in seeing what we make today, we might make more than one drink with the white oak watermelon. Continue watching. All you need is white oak, some mixes, and some glasses. Boom. Okay, so first order of business, before we make any drinks, we have to taste it. So let us taste the watermelon white oak. So excited for the ancestors. Enough? Yeah. And then after we take the shots, we'll also have it on ice to see. That's plenty. Alright. Oh. Drink already, guys. Cheers. It's smelling good. How it's smelling? Okay. Okay. Yeah, it's nice as a shot. Oh. I feel the white so good.
Like this is
yeah, it was like,
and then it was like
yeah, it's like yeah, it's real nice and smooth, and it's like
no.
hits you like alright
No.
here.
But it's fruity.
You can take it as a shot, but let's see it on ice.
Yeah.
Cheers again. Yeah. It can have better
bubble
too.
gummy.
Yeah.
Kind of strong.
Kinda is white oak.
Yeah, but it like the coconut wasn't so strong.
Yeah, I like the sorrel. Okay. We found out what we're gonna mix, but first, to finish drink this, I need to mix it. What do you have So we didn't know what we were gonna make, right? So we got strawberry, kiwi, and we actually thought it was different brands because it's like two different colors.
How?
How? So confused. It's not boom, but it's good.
Yeah, that's right.
So maybe it's like an alcoholic, I bet it's good. Okay, so where you at? Okay, so we were in luck, and the Dailies mixes comes with 2 drinks, I think. Yeah, each of them has 2 drinks each. So on this strawberry mix, we have the strawberry margarita, and we have the Dailies Devil, and we decided to go with the Dailies Devil
because it's white rum, and
yeah,
this is white rum.
So yeah. So what does this call for? It says in a glass with ice, blend or stir 3 ounces of Dailies strawberry mix, 1 ounce of Dailies sweetened lime juice, which we don't have, but we have bar syrup and we have lime margarita mix, so we're gonna improvise. 1.5 ounces of white rum, and so yes, we're gonna go with the spirits.
No measuring cup.
No measuring cups.
Basically ice or alcohol.
Yeah. I'm like, let's go with the spirits. So the spirits guide us. Okay, let's go. So this is supposed to be I guess this is 1 serving. So if you do it for 2 people, it should be 6 ounces. And 6 ounces is just under a small styrofoam cup. So let's go with that. How do you think that looks?
Don't forget the other 2 people.
Oh, we're making for more than 2 people. We're making for 4. Jabari is going to watch this and be like,
we need to get a lime.
Bye. Lime! Margarita is like. So, you can do the honors.
How much are the lime juice?
1 ounce. So do like 4 ounces.
Okay, you ready?
Okay, just let's go.
We could always add
1, 2, 3, 4, that's 4. Okay. And because we did not have sweetened lime juice, we're gonna put some bar syrup to add some sweetness to it. Right? Yes, come on. Common sense improvise.
What do you think?
That's 4, right?
No. The rum.
The white rum. It says
1 ounce?
It says 1.5 ounces.
So we're going like
But
that here?
we doing what we want.
Yeah.
That is more than an ounce. Like.
No, it's 4.
Okay, well. Let's do it, Jesus. Well, I don't know if that's really good.
No, we said like over here.
Yeah, give me some more. I guess.
Okay.
Yeah. Just like a little bit though, you'll be fine.
My time to put the ice.
Yeah. Well, failure. That's not for you to taste?
That's for you to taste.
Okay, so you know what taste on it? Let's see. Okay. What's the corona?
That tastes from this side.
Like my mouth didn't go on it. The ice cubes need to burn up some more. What? Like,
It's kind of weak though.
yeah, it's weak.
More rum.
More rum for me, more rum for me, more rum for me. More rum. Now, how like you want to use?
Yeah, time out this.
But I didn't taste it just now. Because I get more rum. Look at the turn. A bit more ice to make it slushy. Just take all this block of ice, please.
This is rum.
I'm trusting my sister doesn't have corona, guys.
Put my hand.
No, I'll get you a spoon.
You can take all your water and drink.
Too many whole ice cream.
Remember we did it with alcoholics. We should put more rum.
Yes. Got it? Hey, listen, Mr. Jungle.
Okay. Because no man glass.
I guess. Manish.
Oh, look how nice. Whiteoak. Please take notes.
So we're going, I guess.
We're gonna.
Reaction.
Yeah. Let's see what they say. Could we be bartenders? Could we not?
Just on hire us. Okay, what are we doing now? So we served our drinks to our guests and they enjoyed it. Our dad immediately tasted watermelon taste.
So we put enough rum.
What is this we made again? We made the Daily's Devil. And now we're just gonna make a simple mix in case you know you don't have any strawberry mix. Something simple you can make. You can have the white oak watermelon because
Like it got a fat too.
yeah.
A fat wit.
A fat way.
A fat wit. Or two.
No, but what
You
fat?
can take it a fat.
What fat? In what year?
So we're just gonna try it with club soda because white oak had a coconut. You were able to drink it with water. Well, chase it with water. So we're gonna see if we are able to do that with the watermelon.
Okay, boom. So we have our glasses.
Get some ice. So let's do that.
How much we put in? 1 ounce?
I put more.
Yeah. You kids in life, you say.
Yeah. Because Keisha is normally the one who drinks more alcohol. But apparently today I'm the one who's drinking more alcohol.
Yeah, so white oak watermelon and some what's this again? And I'm gonna taste it and see.
You mix it. You like shake it up. You didn't shake it up.
Don't fill it. I think I'm gonna add some juice to it.
I feel so. By your facial expressions. Yes, so let me taste it.
Yeah. I like sweet. Well, dependent.
This is good. I will put off after this. I have like a fizz.
There is a fizz, but for alcohol, it wouldn't be my preference. I will probably, I don't know if I'll try this, the LaCroix. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly. I'll put in like some image somewhere. The LaCroix or LaCroix calorie beverage, like 0 calorie beverages. I'll probably mix it with this instead of basic club soda.
It tastes like sparkling water with alcohol.
Well, yeah, but I'm not gonna drink this enough fat though. Like, why? Why would I do this to myself when I could have some sweet?
We could add some strawberry kiwi. What is yours?
It's the same thing. I'm gonna add some of the strawberry kiwi to this because that's a sad life.
I'm living a sad life.
Cheers. So, yes.
It tastes like watermelon. And I love watermelon. Too bad we didn't have actual watermelon.
Too bad we did not have actual watermelon.
And too
is
bad
right.
we didn't get Daddy enjoying the drink.
Too bad.
Somebody.
Yes, because somebody's 256 gig storage iPhone is full. So now I have to delete something.
But what?
Pictures and videos and stuff. I think some quite like far.
Well then pay for the 500 gig iCloud.
I already pay in Google.
Why not pay in Apple?
Because I have Google Photos.
Yeah, but you have an Apple phone.
But you have your face.
You trying anything else?
Well, so it has to try.
Yeah.
Peach and well, peach and watermelon might just go good together, I guess. But once it's open, we could do something else. Hope you enjoyed the video. Today we made 2 drinks. If you tried it, comment below, let us know how it tasted. Or if you tried any other type of mix, comment below, let us know what you tried. How was it? Was it good? Was it like, how was it? Like,
and if you like me, I'll be on the video more. So
yeah, if you like her, this girl, like the video if you like her, she may appear in some other videos. And if you don't like her, you can like the video still. But just comment.
Yeah, you need to like and subscribe.
So like the video if you like her, right? But still like the video if you don't like her, and comment that you don't like her if you don't like her, right? So like, subscribe if you want to see more drinks.
We just press subscribe button.
It's in the
Somewhere.
thing. It's on the screen below.
And go get your white oak watermelon if you can.
I'm paying you. No, but you can try it though. If you drink rum, you can try it. We wouldn't drink it straight like we would the coconut or the sorrel, but it's a nice flavor to mix some nice drinks with. Anyway, yeah, so like, comment, subscribe, and see you
Next time.
bye.
Now we can put.
No, but like that's from the top, make it drop. Let's do it from the top, make it drop for that. Ooh, wow, not the scented version at all. Tell us more. How you feeling?
Tingling back on my throat.